Hello everyone. I am hi everyone, how are you guys doing? I am waiting for your comments to start so that let's see who is there in my class. So let's wait for a few minutes so that whoever wants to join. We'll start exactly at 2:05 because probably people would be here. Hey, I have someone watching me. So who is that someone? Hi, hi Tanvi, hi Sayan Saha. So how are you guys doing? How was your Christmas? What gifts did you get? Are you going to give me some gifts from your gifts ka quota? No one is going to give me that. I'm so sorry. I would be looking a lot number of time at this place because I have kept my phone over there so that I keep an eye on that place. Wow. Okay. I don't know. Drum drum drum. इधर चला. Okay, so I am starting my lecture in a minute. Exactly a minute. In a minute क्या होता है? In a minute. In a 1 minute बोलने वाला था, but चलो. In a minute. In a minute. Hi. Hey Divya. Yes, Divya, right? Shout out. किसका shout out करूँ? So hi everyone. I'm starting my lecture now. So welcome to the YouTube class of LibreOffice Calc. So in today's class, we are basically going to see Calc का पूरा Calc का सारा part. Calc का सारा part. Like how to open the Calc, how to make a sum, how to add a series, how to write a function, how to write the formulas using the LibreOffice tool का Calc. So first of all, I don't know how many of you know me. Yes, I am Sindhi. So hi everyone. My name is Lakhan Bhagnani. I am a computer science engineer, basically computer engineer by degree. Teaching is a passion. I know languages like C, Java, and front-end languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. और क्या होता है? JavaScript के different types, React JS, Node.js, ये सारी चीज़ें almost आती हैं. So I wanna be a college professor someday. So that is my the achievement to unlock from my life. If you are from the if you are from the Unacademy and wanna join an academy for the special class or the plus class, join my Telegram channel t.me/class9lakhan is my Telegram channel link. If you just go and follow this link, you would be added to a channel which would basically I'll be updating over there like the timing. Like, I'll be updating the questions like what time I should come live, uh what like when I'm coming live, I'll give you a reminder over there. So there are many things you guys can do it on the Telegram channel. I put a polls over there. We can have a normal conversations, like when I put something you guys can add a comment to it. So yeah, that is what about me. If you have any questions, you guys can ask me those. So I guess everyone has put their thinking caps on, and let's crack it. So if you are looking for any kind of subscription like a plus subscription or the iconic subscription, you guys can use my code LBLIVE, which would give you 10% of discount whenever you buy any kind of subscription Also, if you are joining to these special classes for the first time, or whenever you're joining these special classes, you would be requiring the I can say referral code to join that special class. You guys can use my code LBLIVE or LB10. Both of them would be useful on the entire platform to get you the 10% of discount. So let's crack it. So let's get started. So let's get started, right? So in this class, what are we going to do is nothing but I'll be telling you how to start a LibreOffice Calc, how to add up the things like how to add a table, how to add a charts, uh, how to make a formatting changes, how to add a filters, how to sort data, all those things. Okay, so let's start it. Keep annotations. Let's discard. I'll come back to this place next after our lecture. So how to, if you have a Windows, you guys can download it from the LibreOffice.org website. How to have a LibreOffice. For example, I am not going to do from the shortcut because LibreOffice ko start karte hi it would be a just click. But I'm going to use a Windows ka option. So how to go that? A Windows option, and inside it we would be having LibreOffice. So scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. You see a LibreOffice. So LibreOffice 7.0. Inside it, you have to open a LibreOffice Calc. The moment you start a LibreOffice Calc, you would be able to see this kind of screen, wherein it's basically on the screen, it would be telling you that it would be giving you the daily tips like how to make a changes, how to add a formattings, all those things. Okay, so once you are done, you guys can click on the okay, or if you want to see the next step, you guys can even use that icon. So right now what are we going to do? Basically I'm just going to increase the size so that tumhe सारी की सारी चीजें दिख जाए. So that I'm just making a size, font size to 20 ताकि तुम्हें boxes clearly दिखें. Okay, so this is the entire LibreOffice Calc. In this part basically this part is nothing but your where my mouse is. This is the title bar. This bar where we can see file, edit, view, insert, format, style, sheet, all those things. This is basically nothing but your menu bar. This is your standard toolbar. What is standard toolbar? This would be basically depending upon the application to application which would be changing. Here the formatting toolbar, because we would be adding some formats, we would be putting some formats, all those things. So this entire line is called as a this is called as the formatting toolbar. This is called as a this is called as a formula bar, where you have to type a formula if you can, and this is the cell address. For example, right now I'm on A1, right now I'm on D4, right now I'm on H6, right now I am on E13. So that is the address bar. Below part is called as the status bar, wherein basically we guys can see the which language I am using. So which language is English US. What is the default page style? What is the page style? How many sheets do we have? So you guys can add more sheets to the same workbook. This entire is the one single workbook. This is the basically this is the most commonly used formulas. For example, I just write any number of values, so uska sum and average automatically यहाँ आ जाएगा. This document has a modified. Click to save document. Like basically अगर तुम जब save कर लोगे तो ये icon save के लिए पूछेगा. So जब तुम save करोगे तो वो red color का होगा, save नहीं होगा तो वो green color का. save हो गया तो वो green color का होगा. This is magnification, so that basically तुम्हें जो भी देखना है थोड़ा जूम इन करके देखे तो दैट इज हाउ दिस मैग्निफिकेशन वर्क्स. सो मैं यहाँ दिख रहा हूँ अभी. यू गाइस कैन राइट इट लाइक राइट. आई एम सो सॉरी. So that is the magnification. You guys can increase the magnification to most is 400 for the Excel. Okay. So all your A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are your columns, and your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is your the rows. So all your this part is the columns. All your this part is the rows. Whenever a row and the column merge, this part is called as the. Hey Tanvita. So this is called as the cell. So the three terms we have been using a lot: column, cells, and the rows. So whenever you are writing something, so in writing something you have to like whenever you are writing something, the always the address would be column number, column name, and the row number. So this is how, for example, column name would always be the alphabet, so it would be A, and the row number would always be the numbers, so that is A1. Okay, and you must be wondering, after A to Z what would be there? So after A to Z there would be like repetition of two words: A, then AB, AC, AD. Once A is done, then BA, BC, BD, like that. BB, BC, BD, like that. And once all ZZs are done, like till ZZ is reached, then there would be like A. Three letters. Okay. So am I making sense? चीजें समझ रही हैं? You guys can tell me whatever doubts you guys have on the comment section so that I'll be solving at the end of the class. So yeah, that is your keep it. So let's start. I'm just zooming a little bit more so that तुम्हें सब दिखे अच्छे से. So I'm going to make my score sheet, like just a random score sheet, not my score sheet, where I'll be writing my term, my subjects, and the percentage. I'm not going to do percentage by a calculation. I'm be totally doing everything using the Calc. Okay. So I'm just writing over here term. I had physics. I'm so sorry. Physics, biology, maths, and computer science. So you guys can see over here, my physics word is entirely not visible. So what I can do for that? So for doing that, you guys can use this arrow, and you guys can see this. Double click on it. Double click on it. So it will automatically adjust the biggest word on the entire cell. Come to this place, you can see double arrow, double click. Now you guys can see something over here. On this, there is a red underline. So basically, the LibreOffice Calc does not know the maths. It would all know the mathematics probably. So spell check. So I don't have anything like that. I just check, do I have in the English India language? Yes. So I have to do it like a math. Close. So you guys can see, it's a math. So let's let me add the some marks. I'm just going to add some marks, like it would be random as well. So I am just writing total, I mean term. So I have unit 1 term, unit 2 semester 1, unit 3, unit 4 semester, instead of semester 1 it would be semester 2. Now you guys can see that my semester 1 and semester 2 is going in the physics wala part. Basically it is not going in the physics wala part. अगर मैं इसके बाहर चले जाऊं तो you guys can see वो वहां पर empty cell ही होगी. You guys can see यहाँ पे values. These are the values of the cell. यहाँ पर तुम values देख सकते हो. But अगर मैं इसके इधर ही हूँ तो it is empty. But it's just looking like that कि वो TER1 is in the physics wala part. So make sure कि वो ऐसा ना हो. What I'll be going to do, go to between A and B. You can see do arrows, double click. It will automatically adjust itself. Okay, I'm just decreasing the size because I have already zoomed in. अभी तो मैं दिख रहा है कि यहाँ एक्स्ट्रा स्पेस है, तो इसको स्पेस खत्म करने के लिए आई कैन जस्ट डू अगेन डबल स्पेस, तो वो एक्स्ट्रा स्पेस को भी गायब कर देगा. ओके, so now I have 4 subjects out of 100, 100, 100. Okay, I got physics unit 1 में unit test में I got unit test is of 30 marks. ठीक है, not the 100 marks. So unit test में in physics I got 20, in biology I got 25, in maths I got 29, in CS I got 30. Again, unit test 2, in physics I have improved myself, in biology I have improved myself, somewhere I have lost the math subject, so I had no. Similarly I have been consistent with the with the ये क्या बोलते हैं, क्या है ये हमारा computer science semester में it's of 100. So in physics I got 80, in biology I got 85, in maths I got 95, and in computer science I got 90. Again, unit test I received almost same marks, 20, 29, 25, and here I have lost my marks because some other concept which was not taught to me I was there, 20. Then in physics I have again improved which very drastically, that is I scored out of. Biology I got almost the similar marks like 28. Maths में I have got out of right now, and CS में थोड़े से कम marks और हो गए, right, 24. In semester 2, this is my final exam, so I have made all my work properly. So I have got physics में 90, biology में 95, maths में 98, and CS में 99. So that's my mark sheet. Okay, so now I'm going to make up another column basically which would be telling, I'm just selecting everything and making the size to normal 10. So this is basically total marks out of marks basically. Okay, this is the total marks, right? Total marks, and this is marks obtained. Again you guys can see यहाँ पर ये marks obtained बाहर जा रहा है, तो this is I can do it. So total marks basically कितने हैं, 1 2 3 4. So it's basically 33 fours are 120. So I am just going to write it directly without calculating because it's almost the same. Now I have to copy the entire thing to every other place. So what I can just do, select the cell. You guys can see एक plus mark यहाँ पर आएगा and drag it to the down. So it was basically what it's basically doing. It's basically increasing a number, but मेरे को increase नहीं करना, मेरे को same number रखना है. So I have to select two numbers. So I'm just adding this. तो मैं यहाँ बाजू में preview दिखेगा. मैं उंगली से दिखा रहा हूँ. लाइक तुम्हें बाजू में प्रीव्यू दिखेगा कि वो क्या है, इस 120 क्या है. सो दिस इज 120. सो यहाँ 120 नहीं होगा, यहाँ इट वुड बी 400. यहाँ यहाँ ये नहीं होगा. So 400. Okay. Now we are going to see the total, how to make a total of values using two types. One, I'll be making the A plus by adding the numbers, by cell address, and by using the formula. We are going to do three ways. Okay. So first way, I just have to double click on it so that I am writing something. So equal to states that I am writing some formula. I'll show you how it would work. So right now I just write 20 plus 25 plus 29 plus 30. This is one of the way you guys can do it. Again, I just copy the entire thing, Control A, Control C, and I put it over here, Control V. Okay, my bad. Enter. And I just copy the entire thing without the equal to sign. So you guys can see it. So यहाँ पे it is not considering it as the number or the function or the formulas. So ये क्या बोल रहा है उसको कि ये string है जो तुम्हें same to same छापना है. The moment you write equal to sign, it tells that there is some calculation to be done. Okay, so this is the first way. Now I'm not going to use the same thing. Another way I can use is equal to. I'll be giving the reference of this cell. For example, this cell is B3 plus this cell is C3 plus this cell is D3 plus E3. So I just make a enter. You can see the total mass. Okay, so that is the mass obtained. This is one way. Another way, I can do another way like sum. I have a formula called sum equal to, now 1 2 3 4. So this is the third way. Fourth way, अभी मैं आपको fourth way बता रहा हूँ. Like in this formula I have referenced all the cells as a single cell, but this entire can be one range, right? ये पूरी की पूरी एक range हो सकती है, right? B4, C4, D4, E4. But now I'll be writing this entirely as a range. तुम्हें यहाँ range की value दिखेगी. Like तुम्हें formula के अंदर क्या लिखना है. So you can write B5 is to E5 या खुद लिखोगे. Other way around, you can just select as well. Sum लिखो and then select the range whatever you want. I want to select range this. So once selected, close the round bracket, hit the enter. Okay. Now अभी तो मैंने ये चार ways दिखा दिए. Now how to copy the same thing. Like अगर मुझे same की same चीज copy करनी है, like I don't want to do this again and again. So I'll be just on that place, Control C, Control V, and Control V. So it would be automatically updating with respect to the row, column, whatever you are, wherever you are. Okay. So that is the marks obtained. Okay, am I making sense? समझ रही हैं ये चीजें? चलो, अभी मेरे को इनसे मतलब नहीं है, अभी मेरे को मतलब है सिर्फ इस पार्ट से. आई वॉन्ट टू फ्रीज दिस पार्ट राइट नाउ. आई जस्ट शो यू व्हाट इज फ्रीजिंग. सो तुम यहाँ देखोगे जब आई मूव टूवर्ड्स राइट, सो मेरा फर्स्ट कॉलम है ना वो मूव हो रहा है, राइट? बट आई डोंट वांट इट टू मूव लाइक वो वहीं पर होना चाहिए. ये चले जाए मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, बिकॉज आई नाउ हैव अ टोटल मार्क्स, आई हैव अ मार्क्स ऑब्टेन. आई डोंट रियली want this segregated marks right now. So what I can do is select the entire column. So selecting the entire column is nothing but go on the column name A, click on it. So it would be selected entire column. Here you guys can see freeze rows and columns, right? यहाँ तो मेरे पास ऑप्शन है freeze first column, freeze first row. So you guys can do it, or the other way around. You guys can show in the go in this tools में जाओ, विंडोज में जाओ. किधर गया इसमें का फ्रीज? कहाँ गया? I forgot. So this is the freeze. So I have to freeze first column. So freeze first column. Now तुम देखोगे I'm just moving. तो मेरा फर्स्ट कॉलम वहीं का वहीं है, बाकी की सारी चीजें मूव हो रही है. मेकिंग सेंस? समझ रही हैं चीजें? Okay. So I don't want a segregated marks right now. So I'm just checking out total marks and the marks obtained. So this would be my percentage table. So I'm making a percentage. So percentage is nothing but total marks, marks obtained upon total marks, right? So I have to write equal to marks obtained किस वाले column में है? It's in G column. So G 2 divide by F2. So तुम्हें यहाँ दिखेगा this is 86.67. I have just given the design. Like इसी को भी मैं ये कर सकता हूँ into 100. Right? I can do this. But I don't want that into 100 part वाला add करना. So I can make it like इस पे click करो. You guys can see percentage icon. Click on it. So automatically percentage में change हो जाएगा. Okay. So I'll just make it copy. So I have to just drag. All things will be copied. So I'm just copying this entire column, pasting it. Oops, my bad. Because it has this difference, I mean same reference but difference. So I don't want H2 upon, I just want same like that. It would be G2 upon F2. So drag down. Now this should be in a percentage format. So I'm just selecting everything and add a percentage icon. So सारे के सारे percentage format में आ गए. Now decimal places. अगर ये decimal places तुम्हें यहाँ दिख रही है, अगर तुम्हें percentage के नहीं करना, तुम्हें decimal places को increase decrease करना है. So what I can just do, I'll just decimal के लिए example ले रहा हूँ मैं. Okay, this is again 20. So I don't want this. It should be 10. So यहाँ जाओ, इसको कर दो 10. Yeah. It should be 10. So yeah, यहाँ पे मैं सिर्फ लिख रहा हूँ decimal. हो गया decimal लिख के. Now again I want this values only. So it would be equal to G2 divide by F2. So I just use this formula and यहाँ तुम्हें add decimal दिख रहा है, so it's some error. So हम add decimal नहीं कर सकते, so we can, okay, there's something difference else, कुछ तो issue आ रहा है मेरे को पता नहीं, ठीक है. Okay, my bad. एक साथ हम नहीं कर सकते, we can do it by एक एक. पहले डेसिमल पॉइंट लाओ, देन इंक्रीज करो, डिक्रीज करो, व्हाटएवर यू वांट. लाइक राउंडिंग ऑफ वो करते जाएगा तुम्हारे लिए, यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट द थिंग्स. सी, सो वो 0.9 डेसिमल हो गया. फर्स्ट डेसिमल फॉर्मेट एज अ नंबर डेसिमल, देन this. So यहाँ आएगा 8, right? Because value is different. Format as a decimal, then decrease the decimal. Format as a decimal, then decrease the decimal. So which is almost equal to 1. That is why वो 1.0 दिखा रहा है मैं. Hey Akanksha Das, I'm so sorry I'm not looking at the charts. Happy Holi. आज होली है. Okay. Now let us find the average of these percentage. मेरे को कितनी average percentage मिलती है. So I just try to have equal to average. And इन सब की average चाहिए, right? So इन सब की average चाहिए तो select all these numbers. Select enter and this is your average. So my average percentage is 18 point. .11 is my average percentage. My average marks. So average marks is equal to average. Select all this and hit enter. My average marks are 192. My average marks are 192 marks. Okay, which is basically wrong, I know that. So we have used sum, we have used average. Now let us see कि मुझे किस सेमेस्टर में सबसे ज़्यादा परसेंटेज मिली है. So I have received किस सबसे ज़्यादा परसेंटेज. So equal to max करेंगे. So I'll find इस सब में से किस में सबसे ज़्यादा परसेंटेज मिली है. I have received. अच्छा, यह परसेंटेज पे काम नहीं करेगा. ओके, प्रोबेबली वो परसेंटेज में मार्क नहीं करेगा. सो सबसे ज़्यादा मार्क्स मेरे को किस सब्जेक्ट में मिला है, लाइक कब मिली है. सो फॉर एग्जांपल फिजिक्स में सबसे ज़्यादा मार्क्स क्या है मेरी. सो आई विल बी राइटिंग ओवर हियर एज, ओके माय बैड, ये मैंने फॉर्मूला लिखकर ये काम करूँगा तो यही होगा. सो आई विल बी राइट मैक्सिमम मार्क्स. सो इक्वल टू मैक्स ऑफ फिजिक्स में सबसे ज़्यादा मार्क्स. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गिव यू. So I have given 2 different values ranges. मेरे को यूनिट टेस्ट में सबसे ज़्यादा मार्क्स कब कितनी मिली है. सो सबसे ज़्यादा मार्क्स है 30. Similarly, I want to do the same thing for every other thing. So I just do drag it and copy till the CS. So biology में सबसे ज़्यादा मार्क्स I have 29. मैथ्स में आउट ऑफ मिल चुकी हैं, CS में आउट ऑफ मिल चुकी हैं, फिजिक्स में आउट ऑफ मिल चुकी हैं. So that is my maximum marks. So ये बोल्ड कर दिया. मेरे को मार्क्स मिली है बोल्ड. मिनिमम मार्क्स कितनी है मुझे. मिनिमम मार्क्स. सो मिनिमम मार्क्स. सो मिनिमम मार्क्स की फॉर्मूला इक्वल टू मिन एंड अगेन दो रेंज यहाँ पर. सो फर्स्ट रेंज कंट्रोल, सेकेंड रेंज. ओके माय बैड, कुछ तो करना तो क्या. So my minimum marks in the physics were 20 in the unit test. Same मेरे को CS तक करना है, copy till the CS. So physics में सबसे कम marks 20 है, biology में 25, maths में 25 and CS में 24. समझ रहे हैं तुम्हें? So we have used sum, average, minimum, maximum. Now अगर मैं यहाँ देखो तुम्हें इन सब का मैक्सिमम, इन सब का टोटल चाहिए तो ये तुम यहाँ पर भी देख सकते हो. इस 104 एवरेज मार्क्स इज 26 मार्क्स, जो मैंने बताया था ना, जो यूजुअली तुम यूज कर सकते हो यहाँ. सो दैट इज दी. अगर तुम्हें कुछ और चाहिए, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई डोंट वांट जस्ट सम एंड एवरेज, बिकॉज सम एंड एवरेज मैं ऑलरेडी यहाँ पर बना रहा हूँ. सो इफ आई वांट समथिंग एल्स टू बी लुक्ड एट, सो तुम क्या कर सकते हो, यहाँ तुम आओ, right click and you guys can do whatever you want over here. Okay, for example count, maximum, sum, selection count, none. तुम selection count देखोगे तो कितने select कर रहे हैं मैंने, तुम count A करोगे इसमें मतलब कितने values का complete है, count. ठीक है. So that is how you guys can make your mark sheet. चलो हम अभी ग्राफ बनाते हैं हमारे परसेंटेज का, हम ग्राफ बनाते हैं. सो हाउ टू ऐड इट, वी हैव द फॉर्मूला इंसर्ट चार्ट. अभी इंसर्ट चार्ट में तुम्हें वो खुद से बोलेगा कि तुम्हें क्या बनाना है. सो आई वांट अ लाइन चार्ट जो बेसिकली मुझे देगा ट्रेंड्स. ठीक है. सो नेक्स्ट डेटा रेंज मुझे सिलेक्ट करनी है, तो आई बी सिलेक्टिंग द डेटा रेंज. सो सिलेक्टिंग डेटा रेंज. ओके माय बैड, रुको, आई नीड टू सिलेक्ट द रेंज. सो यहाँ से इसको लेके जाना साइड में पड़ेगा. ओके यहाँ दिख नहीं रहा है फिलहाल बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. सो प्रोबेबली दिस इज द रीजन. You guys have to first select the values. So I'm just selecting these values. Okay, this is my percentage and this column and control term and this. So मुझे ये दो चीज का चार्ट बनाना है. So insert chart. कौन सा चार्ट, तो I want to make a line chart. So line chart, lines and a points. So next I have made the range already. So first row is my label. First row is my label. Yeah, first column is my label. Yeah. Next data series. ठीक है. So name is on the sheet 1. Y values in the, yeah, very good. So बरोबर हो गया वॉल में. Chart elements. My percentage chart. I don't want any subtitle, but X में I can write terms and Y axis पे I can write my percentage. So I want both the axes to be shown. So both this. So finish. तुम्हें कहीं ना कहीं दिख जाएगा चार्ट तुम्हारा. कहाँ है? That is my chart. दिख क्यों नहीं रहा है? So you guys can see, या मेरा चार्ट बन रहा था, ये पता नहीं बाहर क्यों गया. So unit 1 में I received this marks, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, unit semester 2 and the percentage. अच्छा वो बाहर नहीं, वो लेजेंड्स है, दिख रहा है? So you guys can decrease the size as well इसका, just point it, छोटा कर दो. So मैंने अपने परसेंटेज चार्ट को छोटा कर दिया. So it is done. ये तो थोड़ा गंदा दिख रहा है फिलहाल. You guys can make it a bigger. Just making a little bit bigger so that वो दिखे थोड़ा सा अच्छा सा. So this is my chart. समझा ये चीज? How to insert a chart? You can even make a pie chart. Like for example, तुम्हें 120 marks. For example, मैं unit test का pie chart बना रहा हूँ कि मेरे 120 marks में से मेरे को कितना marks कैसे मिला है, क्या percentage है उनका. So first of all, this would be my entire part. Insert chart. So कौन सा chart? I need a pie chart. Normal 3D look. 3D look चाहिए तो 3D realistic. So finish. You guys can see this is my 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is my first subject, this is my second subject, this is my third, and this is fourth. So this is my pie chart of 120 marks. कितने मार्क्स का कितना पोर्शन कवर किया है मैंने. 120 मार्क्स में से किस चीज को ज़्यादा फोकस दिया है. Although everything is same apart from yellow value. So that's how you guys can add up, make your own type of charts. Like I can even segregate things, right? So तुम्हें समझ में आएगा. I can join them. I can segregate them. ठीक है. So that is basically our value. That is the charts by charts. और क्या ऐड करना होता है? चलो अभी हम देखते हैं filtrations. Filtrations and the sorting. So I am doing right now for the sorting values. So I first of all have to select the entire table, not just one part. So मैं पूरी की पूरी table को select करूँगा. Then I have to be doing sort. So sort ascending, sort descending, whatever you want. You guys can do it sort ascending. वो randomly sort कर लेगा सारी चीज़ों को, ठीक है. So randomly sort होगी. बट अगर तुम्हें एक पूरे कॉलम को सॉर्ट करना है, फॉर एग्जांपल सबसे ज़्यादा परसेंटेज के हिसाब से मेरे को सॉर्ट करना है. So sorting, descending, extend selection. ठीक है, वो खुद बोलेगा. So that is your sorting. ठीक है, that was sorting. Now let's add a filtering. So सब में filter आ गया. You guys can see this icon. So filter पे बटन पे क्लिक करना है, filter बटन आ जाएगा. अभी filter बटन में क्या करना है मेरे को? If I just want सिर्फ एक पार्ट का सब्जेक्ट, so unselect all. I just want semester 1 के मार्क्स. So semester 1. You can see semester 1. So similarly यहाँ पर भी तुम्हारे चेंजेस होते रहेंगे. See, तुम्हें ये वाला सिलेक्शन भी दिख रहा है semester 1. I'm just adding semester 1 के साथ semester 2. If I just want to compare semester 1 and semester 2, so semester 1 and semester 2 की मार्क्स आ गई. Click on OK. अनुज हुडा. I'm so sorry, I was not looking at the chats. 246, sir, please tell pie chart again. Okay, yeah, sure, I'll do that. Not an issue. So you guys can see over here semester 1 and semester 2 दोनों की ग्राफ बन रही है यहाँ. Just make a little bit smaller so तुम्हें यहाँ अच्छे से दिखेगा. The moment you change anything, it will automatically update the graph as well. ठीक है. So if I just add unit 1 as well, okay. So यहाँ okay करोगे तो यहाँ unit 1 का ग्राफ भी आ गया. I don't want unit 1 and unit semester 1, semester 2. I just want units. So I'll just unit 1, unit 2 and click on OK. So these are the unit के marks and this is the percentage of the unit. Okay. So that's how you guys can make your own Excel sheet by all these different ways. So okay, so we have one request stating that please tell pie chart again. So I'm right now doing that. So how to make a pie chart at first. For example, I want to make a pie chart of this percentage. Okay, so select all this percentage, then insert chart, then what type of chart. So it would be a pie chart. Which type of chart do you want it to make? Like look like this. So I want to have this 3D look. Next. So data series है. First row label नहीं है, right? Next. So fill color, border color, ये सब तुम दे सकते हो. Values ये है, name, basically percentage. Fill color. Next, chart elements, percentage chart, pie chart. I have 4 values, so yeah, click on finish. You guys can see the pie chart. So तुम पीछे भी देख सकते हो कि वो selected part होगा. So okay, if I'm selecting this part, इसमें जाओ, इस पे click करो, so you would be able to see कौन सा part वो है. So blue color is my unit 1. Orange color पता नहीं क्या है. Yellow color is my data 82.5 वाला. Green color is my 93.3 वाला. And this 89.17 वो हाल फिलहाल दिख नहीं रहा है but वो selected है. तो तुम्हें यहाँ values दिखेगी, right? So that is how you guys can make. Any questions? Thank you so much Anuj for asking the doubt. Any questions? Any more questions? You want to learn anything apart from your pie chart or whatever you want? I have done almost. If you want to segregate this, you guys can segregate as well. Like अलग-अलग piece का कर सकते हो तुम उसी चीज को. Any more questions you have? So I am over here for your doubts. Any questions to anyone? I'll be asking this by 2:55. उसके बाद we'll give you homework so that you guys can come into my class and bring that homework. So if you want to join my class plus or the special subsects, you guys can go with the Telegram channel t.me/class9lakhan. Class9lakhan is my Telegram channel link. You guys can follow me there. Like, you guys can subscribe to the channel. So which is fourth level of rapid typing? I don't know. I haven't, like, what are you I mean, like, what is rapid typing? Are you saying about the application you guys are learning? Okay, so homework for our today's class is you have to create your mark sheet in a Calci, like for the whichever substandard you want, or you guys can just make a copy like mine. But you guys have to use the formulas, you guys have to make the functions, you guys have to use the different types of adding the values into it. You guys have to add a chart which shows the trend of your percentage, like just like I have done. I have made a percentage chart which basically trends ki mera marks kaise ऊपर नीचे जाता है. You guys, what is shortcut key for hiding and showing the virtual keyboard? Virtual keyboard, I don't know. I haven't used any time virtual keyboard. Like, अब मेरे को तो यहाँ आइकन पता है कि वो होता है. This is the icon over here जो यहाँ हमें आता है. बाकी I don't know any other thing like that. I'm so sorry. These are some different things which I have never done before. So Unacademy is bringing up a championship, which basically would give you the scholarship up to 5 lakhs. So it would be on January 10, 2021, from timing 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. I'll be posting up these things in the Telegram channel for like this link is basically used. You guys can copy the link or note it down in your notebook. If anything like that, if you want to participate in the Unacademy Ascend. So it is basically entirely for the class 9, 6 to 12th, and the portion would be totally on the NCERT books. Nothing would be out of the books of NCERT. So you just have to follow NCERT books and be there for January 10, 2021 from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Register yourself at the given link https colon / bit.ly / 3mdqbbi 3md capital DQ capital BBI small I. Thank you so much everyone for watching my class. It was very interactive to everyone. So today basically I'm just giving you the benefits of having a plus or the iconic subscription. The plus subscription, if you are buying, you would be getting a live classes for subjects daily. You would be getting a weekly quizzes, doubt solving live questions, practice questions, and the test series would be given as well. Iconic subscription would be one of the cherry on the cake part of life. Iconic subscription, whereas basically you would be getting your personal mentor lectures would be given on a live platform. A parent would be connected so that every update would be given, so that where you are lagging, where you are making good. Weekly quizzes marks would be given to your parents, so that parents should know where you are now. Study planner would be given. So study planner, your mentor would be giving you how to plan, how to study, how to go to that place. So go and now take your subscription for the class 9, 10 and 12. Everything would be in your hand. You can use it from your phone. Contact to your parents and tell them this is the very benefitable. Uh, Good afternoon, Nausheen Akhtar. So let's crack it. Apart from maths and science, we now have the other subjects: Hindi, English, and social science. So you guys can take a quiz over there. So these are some features we guys have. You guys can follow up for more details on the Telegram channel. I don't know, Pranay sir. I'm so sorry, Nausheen. So these are some ongoing batches. So go and download it. Leave a like. Press the button. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Press the subscribe button. Leave a like and press the bell icon to get notification anytime we are coming live. So thank you so much everyone for being here till the last.